You can see our dogs there. At least two of them. There's three of them here, but two of them are out here right now. And they are watching me. Stop. Stop. So, I started a pile here, but I can't keep piling it up because I don't want a big mound here in the Walter's yard. So, I think what I'm going to do with these long branches and stuff as I cut them is haul them out to the street and see if the city doesn't come to clean them up. As you can see, I already had those other piles that I had picked up from previous stuff I cut. The plan was to burn some of it as firewood, but I haven't had a chance to burn as much as I would like, and I don't think I'd have the ability to burn the whole tree down here. But I think hauling these off might be a good solution, so that's going to be my plan. That piece looks like it would be good firewood. This big chunk right here that used to be hanging up here, and also the other one fell after I cut it a little bit more. So we got several big pieces, which is making me feel really good. I am going to try to climb up there and start trimming some of the branches because we got some of the smaller branches, so we're going to start working our way out. But I'm going to climb up there and see if I can't start to cut some of the branches out of the way, just to start to clear it up and try to get the tree to die, because as it continues to grow, it's harder and harder to cut because all those leaves are all over the place. So, and I think dry wood is easier to cut than wet. So I'm going to climb up there and see if I can't get those leaves out of the way to try to kill the tree, which makes me a little sad. There's all sorts of animals living on it. And the tree itself was alive, and it is still alive, but it can't stay like this, obviously. The neighbor's dogs continue to monitor me and get ready to jump and pounce on me if I should fall into their pit. So, wish me luck. I am the king. you guys watching my butt? the hedge at saw thingy jammed up, so I'm going to have to take it apart and take a look at it. And I think I'm going to call it a day for now.